I think over time, as I've become, I would say, accustomed to predicting its behavior, it's allowed me to expand its uses and has allowed me to use it not just as a primary treatment device, but also add it to when other devices prove to be limited by their capabilities and their mechanism of action, to use the Pounce as an adjunctive treatment device in order to lead to a technically successful outcome. So, you know, the Pounce device is a very simple device to use, and I think, you know, the more simple a device is, the easier it is for you to modify technique, modify approach, just because you have less variables to contend with, and it allows you to kind of play with it in that way. So I'll say that.
I think it's great, and you've shown some really great cases that we've looked at together. I mean, that the one mesenteric case you did was really cool. So being able to, you know, add it to other treatment strategies pretty easily and pretty quickly just means you're going to use it a little bit more frequently. I think many of us start out using Pounce for the acute thrombosis cases, but as you get comfortable with it and the workflow with it, and so does your staff, and which really doesn't take much time, then to add it into a standard endovascular procedure when you feel like it could have some benefit just becomes much more doable and readily performed.